Hello, I'm Wally. Today I'm going to introduce a kind of lighting method for display cases, linear lighting. The lighting method is particularly suitable for slope cabinets. As the space is low, spotlights are not up to the task, and the linear lighting is more even. In linear lighting, line lights are commonly used, but this type of light can cause a glare, which may damage the retinal tissue and lead to irreversible vision loss with prolonged exposure. There are many types of the line lights on the market that address the glare issue by adjusting the light angle and covering some of the light sources. But there are still some drawbacks. Our pole-mounted linear light has a special anti-glare design, making the light very comfortable no matter where the customer views it from, completely solving the glare problem. If you are looking for a comfortable and efficient lighting method to decorate your display cases, our linear lighting is your best choice.